for number 6, we have 7x plus 16 is equal to 30. So using the transposition method, what we're going to do, step 1, we need to combine similar terms. So what are similar terms? 16 and 30. So this will become 7x, okay, plus 16 is equal to 30. So we're going to transpose what number? 16, going to the right side of the equation. Na kung ililipat natin sa 16, anak, ano magiging sign na niya? Magiging negative. Is equal to 30 minus 16 na siya. Then after that, simplify. 30 minus 16, 14. Then do you think this is already the answer? No, what we're going to do? Okay, last step, divide both side by 7, which is the numerical coefficient of x. Okay, x is equal to 2. Okay, now how to check if your answer is correct? So, just substitute 7 times 2, 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. Do you understand? Okay, this time number 7, mental math naman tayo. First, combine like terms. What are similar terms? Negative 3 and 17. Step number 1, lipat ang negative 3 papunta kay 17. Ano magiging sign ni 3? Magiging positive. 17 plus 3. 20 divided by 5. The answer is 4.